Hello guys, welcome once again to our class Mathematics Olympiad. Today we shall consider this simple question which says if 6 square root of m 6 raised to power square root of m plus 6 raised to power square root of m equals 24 raised to power square root of m, find m. Now to start with, we are going to simplify 24 raised to power m. 24 we simplify it to 4 times 6 so that we can have 6 in common with the other side of equal sign. So we now have 6 square root of raised to power square root of m plus 6 raised to power square root of m equals open bracket 4 times 6 close bracket square root of raised to power square root of m. Then we have 6 raised to power square root of m plus 6 raised to power square root of m equals 4 raised to power square root of m times 6 raised to power square root of m. That is, we simplify, we expand the bracket, we open that bracket and give the square root of m as power to both 4 and 6. Now it follows that we can divide both sides by 6 raised to power square root of m since they have it in common. So we have 6 raised to power square root of m plus 6 raised to power square root of m all divided by 6 raised to power square root of m equals 4 raised to power square root of m times 6 raised to power square root of m all divided by 6 raised to power square root of m. Now at the left side we still have everything the same intact. That is 6 raised to power square root of m plus 6 raised to power square root of m all over 6 raised to power square root of m equals 4 raised to power square root of m. That is 6 raised to power square root of m cancels out 6 raised to power square root of m. So we now have, from here we can separate or simplify the left side of equal sign by giving 6 raised to power square root of m as denominator to both 6 raised to power square root of m plus 6 raised to power square root of m, which are numerators. So what we are going to have is 6 raised to power square root of m over 6 raised to power square root of m plus 6 raised to power square root of m over 6 raised to power square root of m equals 4 raised to power square root of m. Now 6 raised to power square root of m divided by 6 raised to power square root of m will give us 1. The other side also 6 raised to power square root of m divided by 6 raised to power square root of m also will give us 1. So that's why we have 1 plus 1 then equals 4 raised to power square root of m. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 2 equals 4 raised to power square root of m. So 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 1 equals 4 raised to power square root of m. So now we can break down 4 to 2 raised to power 2. That means we now have 2 raised to power 1 equals 2 raised to power 2 raised to power square root of m. So we use the law of exponents that says x raised to power equals x raised to power b. X cancels out the x because they have the same base. Then we can equate the power a equals b. So now since they have the same base, we can just cancel out the 2, cancel out the 2. So we can now equate the power, the exponent, which is equal to 1 equals 2 raised, 1 equals 2 square root of m, or 1 equals 2 times square root of m. So we can divide both sides by 2, the coefficient of square root of m. So from here, if we divide both sides by 2, the coefficient of square root of m, we are going to have 1 divided by 2 equals 2 square root of m divided by 2. Then we have 2 cancels out 2 at the right side of equal sign. We have 1 over 2 equals square root of m. So it means we can now try to eliminate the square root on m. and the inverse of square root is square, so we can square both sides. So if we square both sides, we have 1 over 2 into bracket square equals square root of m into bracket square. So if we expand the bracket, we have 1 square over 2 square equals square root of m squared. So 1 square is equal to 1 times 1 and 2 square is equal to 2 times 2. So we have 1 times 1 over 2 times 2 equals square root of m squared. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. So that's 1 over 4 equals, the square root will cancel out the square. So we have m left. So it means we have 1 over 4 equals m. That is, m equals 1 over 4. So for our next class, we are going to be considering about 4 exercises, 4 questions. Now, the first one says the preamble is simplify the followings. And the first question says, open bracket 2 minus I, close bracket, plus open bracket 4 plus 2I, close bracket. The idea is an imaginary number joining with real number, so we have complex numbers. Number 2, open bracket 2 minus I, close bracket, multiply by open bracket 4 plus 2I, close bracket. Number 3, 5 plus 2I over 3 minus I. Number 4, 5 open bracket 2 minus I, close bracket, minus 3 open bracket 4 plus 2I, close the bracket. So we are going to be considering some of these questions on complex numbers. That is, don't forget, complex numbers are when you mix real numbers and imaginary numbers together. So we have complex numbers. Till we meet next class, don't forget to click the subscription, notification, and like button. Thank you.